Good afternoon, YouTube, and welcome back to the vlog. Today is gas versus diesel, but it's not your typical gas versus diesel. Today I'm going to compare my truck versus my dad's. So a little bit of background information. Both these trucks are 2016 GMC 2500 HDs. They were both bought within a couple of weeks of each other. They both stickered within a couple $1,000s of each other, and the out-the-door price on them was both within a couple $1,000s of each other. So today's video is not your typical gas versus diesel. It's which one would you get. I can't tell you because I don't pay your bills. Both these trucks were bought for under $50,000. So I did a walk around with my truck and a 30,000 review in the last video. I'll put a link to it in the description below. Today we're going to walk around to the gas truck and see the different options that you can get for the same amount of money without the diesel engine. Alright, so let's talk about both trucks real quick. The diesel is equipped with an LML 6.6 liter diesel engine backed by Allison transmission. The gas truck is with a Vortec 6 liter backed with a 6-speed automatic. Both trucks are 4-door, 4-wheel drive. But that's about it when it comes to comparisons. So let's go ahead and look at the exterior and see what we got. So if you're looking at the front, you can already tell that the gas truck, the white one, has fog lights, has the chrome insert on the bumper down below where the tow hooks are. It has front and rear backup sensors, where the diesel truck only has backup sensors. The gas truck also has chrome on the mirrors, where the diesel does not. I'm not a big chrome person, but some people love it. So now I'm cheating here just a little bit. If you look at the wheels and tires, I have changed my wheels out, as I mentioned in the last video, with some 20-inch rims from a 2013 Chevy that I had laying around. That truck originally came with 17-inch aluminum rims. I went with the bigger rim because it's wider. This truck is completely stock. My truck came with Bridgestone tires, and they wore out in 26,000 miles. This white truck here, the all-terrain, the gas engine, it came with an 18-inch aluminum wheel and Michelin AT2s. It's still on the original factory tire. This truck currently has 37,000 and change on it. So if we continue the walk around, the extras that you get with this truck is this truck comes factory with running boards. Now, I'm not a huge fan of them because I don't think there's enough of a gap or a lip when you step down, but that's just my opinion. It does come with it, and it comes with the chrome door bezels. Now, neither one of these trucks have been washed because we drive them every day. So if we continue around to the back, so when looking at the rear of the truck, the only difference is the color match rear bumper and the badging. This is the all-terrain package. So another option that came with this truck is the factory sprayed in bed liner. My truck, the diesel version, came with just the bare metal. Going down the side of the truck, one thing you'll notice is this truck came with a side step. That came from the factory, and it's a very nice option to have if you don't have side steps. That's about the differences on the exterior, except for the chrome strip right there, and it says all-terrain HD. Now, because this is the all-terrain model, it does come with the Rancho shocks, just like mine, but I have to have the Z71 package for that. So let's go ahead, open it up, and see some more differences. So let's start right here on the door panel. This truck has power fold mirrors, where mine are manual fold. Mine are power mirrors. It also has the memory seat and the easy exit button. Speaking of the seat, we have a nice leather seat that GM does. You have all your power controls on it, where mine is 100% manual and cloth. Let's go ahead and hop in. So let's start right here. This is all going to be the same between the gas and the diesel. You got your brake controller, 4-wheel drive, and headlight switch. On the instrument cluster, It's pretty much the same thing, except for this one says all terrain. The steering wheel, you got your heated steering wheel, your instrument control, and then your buttons to look at the different menus. Let's go ahead. So this truck on the trip meter has 29,482 miles. That's averaging 13.5 miles a gallon. On my truck, I have 30,300. I'm averaging 15 miles a gallon even. Not too bad for the big 6-liter, but could be better. So, going through here, the only other differences on here, for the last 10,000 miles or 9,500 miles, it's average 14. So the only other differences in here, it doesn't have a fuel filter page, a DEF page, and that's about it. Okay, so let's go on, keep going over. So for that extra money, you get the same stack up here on the top, but down here, see if you can see that or not, you get the dual climate control. So you can put it on, you can put it on auto, either one. This truck also has heated leather seats. For some reason, my dad decided he did not want the air-conditioned seats. He had a 2015 with AC and didn't like them for some reason. So down here, the buttons are pretty much all the same. It's missing a few of the diesel features. So when we get down in here, we have this huge center console. And this is where I require the jump seat with my diesel engine. And you cannot get the jump seat if you have leather. So in here, you got your cup holders. You got 2 USB ports to where mine are inside the center console. You got 2 power supplies, and you have a 110 voltage, which is a nice upgrade. You have the same 2 glove boxes over here, except for this one doesn't have that second USB port, if you notice. That's where mine does. It's your upper and your lower. This one also has, if you see the sticker right here, it has the wireless charging port, which is a factory design, which is pretty nice. When we come up here, we have our nice sunroof. You got your home link system, and that's about the only differences here. Now this truck is equipped with the Bose stereo system, so you have a subwoofer and I don't know how many speakers are in here. If we look at the sticker on this truck, mine's stickered at just over $59,000. This one, let's see if you can see that. This one is stickering at $57,935. Now, like I said, both these vehicles were bought out the door under $50,000, and this was the cheaper of the two. Mine was a couple $1,000s more. Now let's talk about warranty. This truck has a 3-year, 36,000 mile bumper to bumper warranty. That's identical with the diesels there. This truck has a 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. The diesel pickups have a 5-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. So that's a significant upgrade. So there you go, everyone. Gas versus diesel. It's not your typical review. Which one would you get? If you're looking at 2 different trucks that cost essentially the same amount of money, would you get the base model diesel or would you get a pretty loaded gas engine? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up if you like the video. Don't forget to click that subscribe button. And until next time.